The other day, we all celebrated Independence Day. Yes, we all did. I did too. And today, using one of my fundamental rights, the right to freedom of speech, I want to highlight something that cannot be ignored anymore. We know Operation Sindoor happened because a few terrorists broke into our country and killed innocent people. Yes, it was tragic. Yes, it was brutal. But here's my question: what about the terrorists within? What about our own countrymen who are killing our own countrywomen, not just killing, but killing them brutally? The terrorists across the border, they shot people. That was horrifying enough. But here, in our own homeland, women are being raped, acid is poured into their mouth, face, their throat slit open. What do we even call this kind of act? Isn't this terrorism too, or is it something worse? So I stand here today with one appeal. Just like we launched an operation against those terrorists, we need an operation within, an operation against these monsters in our society. And this is not for the common people only. This is a direct message to those in power, our government, our lawmaker, our people in authority. Why can't we amend laws in the name of protecting female existence in India? Why is it so difficult to ensure that women in this country can walk, live, dream, and breathe without fear? And to those who argue economy, growth, and GDP, listen carefully. Chuck economy first, correct the humanity of the country. Economy will rise when humankind is safe. Because what is the point of growth when half of the population lives in fear? Let me be very clear, I'm not blaming men. I know amazing men who stand for equality, who respect women, who uplift them, but then there are others, men who are not men anymore, but monsters. Monsters who disgrace humanity, who are a black dot on mankind itself. This is not just a women issue. This is not just a gender issue. This is a human issue. And I'm ashamed, lamented, heartbroken that these things are still happening in India, the land where we celebrate goddess but fail to protect women. So here's my call. Let us demand, let us push, let us fight not just for independence from outside enemies, but for the independence from fear inside our very own land. Let us create an operation not against borders but against brutality, not just for justice but for humanity. Because if we don't, then Independence Day will remain just a day on the calendar. True independence will only come when every woman in this country is safe. Thank you for watching.